Find or read reviews that people are talking about Autel MaxiAP AP2500 Bluetooth OBD2 scanner, code reader, all-system diagnostic scan tool. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because, consists of the following features. Advanced smartphone vehicle diagnostics. The MaxiAP AP2500 OBD2 scanner and code reader is an app-based diagnostics and service tool compatible with Android and iOS phones that can perform all systems diagnostics on one vehicle brand, with additional brand coverage available in app not free. Read and erase codes, and view freeze frame and live data on US, Asian, and European vehicles 1996 and newer. Performs several of the most common vehicle maintenance services, including battery registration, TPMS sensor relearn, and oil light service reset. EV vehicle battery testing is available. Provides OBD2 test, including the ability to read and erase codes, view freeze frame and live data. Supports late model vehicles using faster CAN/FD communications. Quick vehicle identification with Auto VIN store and quickly access past records, and diagnostic reports. Performs all systems diagnostics on first vehicle brand. Additional vehicle coverage can be added with in-app, not free. Complete monitoring of vehicle health, including engine oil life, average fuel consumption, and brake pad life. Supports commonly performed DIY service functions, such as oil light reset, TPMS relearn, battery registration, and wipers replacement. Test hybrid and electric vehicle power battery. Assess battery state of charge, SOC, and state of health, SOH. Features: find a local repair shop function for quick maintenance and service needs. Provides DTC query/TSBS/definitions of common dashboard lights/100 km dynamic acceleration test. Includes Bluetooth dongle to connect wirelessly to vehicle. Download free MaxiAP DIAG app from Google Play or the App Store. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.